we saw that we can transition properties of a specific element. We saw, for example, how to transition the background color and the border color. But can we transition any CSS property? The answer is no. In CSS, we can only transition a property that is animatable. I will make it simple here. If your browser can find a middle value between the initial value and the final value of your transition, the property is animatable. So let's take the background color property as an example. Here, when we hover over this button, the background color is changing from the black color to the white color, and it is transitioning. That's because the browser could find a middle value between the black color and the white color, like the gray color or other shades of gray. The same thing for the width property. If we transition an element from a width of 20% to a width of 50%, the width can be transitioned. That's because the browser could find a middle value like 21%, 22%, 23%, up to 50%. But if we try to transition the display property, let's say from inline to block, this cannot be transitioned. That's because there is no middle value between the display inline and the display block. The browser is not able to figure out that value. I believe that it is important to know whether a property is transitionable, or you can say animatable. Otherwise, you might have the results that you don't want when creating transitions. So you can visit this website to get the full list of the properties that are animatable. So before you want to transition any property, you can check here if it can be transitioned.